Hey guys, BioMass Regional6 here, and welcome back to the vlog. This is a good day, because I have my new freaking camcorder that is of Samsung. Hashtag not sponsored, but let me know, Samsung. Anyway, don't make it look like it's weird. It's not. Just Samsung, call me, please. Anyway, I look desperate. I swear. I'm not desperate. I'm not. Moving on. This camcorder will help me with better videos because I already checked up how the how it looks, how the graphics look, and they are spot on. That's wonderful. I did a bunch of photos, taking random photos to see how the pixels are, and they're good. It zooms in, which is very good on photos, if I want to crop it out or something. Right here, where it says True Color with CMOS. Yep, very good. Freaking HD recording right here. 1280 720. Very good recording. And then it has one touch sharing button, which means I can easily upload any video files that I record with this camcorder right up to YouTube. That's simple. And I say that is pretty useful because sometimes I don't want to take out the memory card, put it in the can. I'm tired apparently. Put the SD card into my computer, go to the computer's files, get the video file into YouTube, do the description, do the editing, then upload it. That's gonna be hard. And I know everyone's being like, no, it's not hard, it's simple, you can just do it fast. Okay, but I want to do it the simple way, the most easy way, the most fast way, and this will help me. So, best of luck. Plus, this thing also comes with a shutter, so that it will save the camera lens from getting dusty, little bits of dust flying around here. No, seriously, there's a lot of freaking dust around here. I don't like it. And I think that's about it. Also, oh yeah. Hold on. I need to put my head. I gotta put my head straight. Pack for the camera. It was used for my other camera that I have right here. Gonna have this nice and gently, because if I drop this, it's done with. It's done. This served a great purpose to me, but it's now trash, even though the battery still works and the charger still works as well, so I'm probably gonna sell that online. And this camera, the little stupid one, trust me, you would think it's stupid too if you actually recorded with this. I didn't. I just did photos. That's it. And the photos suck. Not even good quality. But it does work. All you need is just 3 AAA batteries, and that's it. You could plug it in to plug it into your computer, so you don't have to get the SD card out, which makes it simple, clearly. And I think that's it. Oh, and since I have this little packet right here, Set the phone down for a bit. Opening up this. In this red packet of mine, I have 2 other SD cards that are of 2 gigabytes, and then I have this one. I'm not gonna curse. Hold on. Come on. Okay. And this one of 16. So, regardless of them being with very underlying gigabyte sizes, I will use these probably for photos. The 32 gigabyte that I have in the camera, that will be used for videos. And I have another one that's 128 that you saw on the previous video. But if you didn't see it, you can stop the video right now, go check that video out, then come back. Alright, now that that's being said, I have a pack, this case right here. I have the case, the bag right here with all my stuff, the flash drive in there just in case I need another one. I have the SD card in there. I have the cable that can connect it to the computer, and I have both wall chargers and another charger. Where is it? Right here. It's a very simple charger. And that's about it. So hopefully you guys will support me for using this camcorder. And yeah, have a good day. Stay chillin'.